Hi, my name is Fraser Morrison. I'm the CEO and founder of 1000 Steps. Today, I'm going to be telling you about a program that we're going to be running that's going to help you scale your sales during COVID-19. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you a breakdown of the first session. So the first session is focusing on lead generation. It's focusing on how do I do my outbound lead generation during a very traumatic period, during COVID-19. Lead generation in the best of times is not easy. Most people really struggle with it. It's the biggest challenge I see for salespeople around the world. In my opinion, it's a dying skill set, but no longer. You have to master it. The beautiful thing about outbound lead generation is that it's free, doesn't cost you anything. You can control how effective it is. It allows you to scale it up to get the volume of numbers that you want. What does outbound lead gen mean? Well, in COVID-19, it means you've got to master LinkedIn. No choice. You've got to get your LinkedIn set up the right way. You've got to get your profile the right way. You've got to be able to engage with people on LinkedIn the right way. And you've got to be able to convert those conversations into meetings. The second part of outbound lead generation that you have to master is how do I get referrals? How do I get introductions? So they come from a variety of different sources. For me, they come from centers of influence, and I'm going to cover that, how it works. We're going to look at partnerships, how to cultivate partnerships during COVID. And we're going to look at how we get referrals from our existing clients. So there's three core areas we're going to use, that we're going to work with. And the session really is going to focus only on these two parts. But these two parts will give you what you need as you move forward. Let me wrap up first session. We're going to cover outbound lead generation. We're going to cover referrals. We're going to cover optimizing LinkedIn. And we're going to give you a methodology of driving appointments into your diary during one of the most difficult periods in history from a sales perspective. Please feel free to reach out to Russell or myself. And I am really looking forward to delivering the session. Outbound lead generation is one of my favorite topics, and it's going to be loads of fun, and you're going to find it really interesting.